Resistant AI is a solution that analyzes any document from anywhere for fraud or evidence of authenticity.
Yeah, what was it about Resistant that really made sense from a partnership? Having spent many years in technology and building platforms, you realize you can't do it all. No matter how great your product team is, you need to rely on great partners like Resistant. And so for us, it was one of those things where our sales teams and our customers were saying that fraud is something that is very important to them. We scan a lot of documents, and not having visibility into which of those documents have been tampered with was something that we wanted to go and find a partner that was best in class in that, knowing that it's something that you just cannot go and build overnight. And so investing in a partnership like Resistant made a lot of sense for us.
One of the concerns that I had been raising for some time was the operationalization of our offering. Nobody can do everything all the time, as Bill said. And so when considering how to address this problem of getting this service and exposing this risk prevention to the space, we started to consider who could we work with in order to reach the broadest organizations, to address the broadest global market, because this fraud problem is massive and pervasive. And that led us very naturally to Tungsten Automation because of the versatility of their product, the versatility of their customer base, the sheer volume of data that they encounter allows us to make a very broad and powerful impact to the global space.
The real value right away was, just what we were able to do in a short amount of time to really showcase, the true value. And I think that was really important because go-to-market is like the next stage of any partnership. Once you prove out the technology, now it's like how wide, what areas can we go in the business?
Tungsten's technologies, and there are several into which we are integrated, provide a great and natural vehicle to expose our offering to the space, but also to augment the offerings that are out there. When we think about fraud overall, because that's our focus, that's what we fight against each and every day. It's been described as a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. And so you always need to try and approach it from many different perspectives concurrently. In working with Tungsten, we see that play out in real life for customers even in POC engagements, in live engagements. You see their eyes light up as they see the strength of a combined solution, of something to assess some document holistically, going into an automation, going into extraction, going into contextualization and AI processing. You could see very rapidly how value is conveyed to clients and how it's ultimately delivered in implementations.